Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this smart band. To turn on this smart band you will need a couple of things. First you will need a charging cable that was provided with your smart band. Looks like this. You have the USB end and the end with the pins, magnetic pins, right here. Another thing you will need is a power source. It could be a power brick with the USB port on it, so you can plug in the USB end of the cable to it, or it could be a computer, for example, with the USB port. Once you have charging cable and power source, we can continue. And first you will need to plug the USB end of the charging cable to a power source. I have this extension cable right here that is plugged in to the computer. I'm gonna plug in the USB end to it. Once you plug the USB end to power source, you can take the pin end, pick up your band, and basically align the pins. They're magnetic, so if you put them in the wrong orientation, they won't go in, they will just move around. And once you place them in the right orientation, they will snap on to the smart band. And once they snap on and the power goes to your smart band, it should turn on automatically. And once you see the XIAOMI logo, you can unplug the cable and wait until the smart band boots into a system. And that's how you turn on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.